I keep it realer than real. Fuck all the critics and fuck how they feel. I'm getting money, it is what it is. They wanna know how I did what I did. Don't worry about why I do what I do, bitch, cause I ain't worried about you, bitch. Nah, I don't wanna be cool, bitch. Still hang.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to talk about how to promote your business. I know I have talked about this before, but I have never actually did a dedicated video to it. So I'm going to do a dedicated video to it where I'm going to give you buku amounts of ways to promote your business. These are some tips and tricks that I have accumulated from other people, seeing how other people run their business, and it has works for me so far. I just started my business in September. I have had to one of my business pages got deleted, and I had 2,000 followers there, and then I had to start over on that one. Because something happened. I was kind of like trying to promote my business too much on that page, so I got like took it off. So I had to make another page, and now I have another 2,500 followers on that. So in about 6 weeks, and so that is pretty good. So I am going to try to give you some tips, tricks, and things that have helped me. First major one is tell family and friends to promote your business. This is easy promotion. This is easy, getting your business out there. Word to mouth is the best way to get your business out there. And having family and friends do that for you is going to help your business a lot. It's going to bring revenue, customers, new people, maybe from their job. Your mom goes to work, tells all her co-workers, my daughter has a business, and da-da-da-da, and da-da-da. It just helps you get your business out there. It just helps a lot. My second one is hashtags. Hashtags. Now, don't use the biggest hashtag because it's going to get lost in there. And about 20 seconds, your picture is not even going to be in the feed anymore. So use the hashtag that maybe has it has many people in the hashtag, but not that many where it can be found. So you want like 99.6K people in this hashtag, not 1.5 million people in this hashtag, because you're gonna get lost in the hashtag, So yeah. Another video, I might actually give you some hashtags that you can write down to use, because I have a list of hashtags that I use. And you do want to alternate the hashtags, because if you do not alternate the hashtags, Instagram, they will think you're spamming, and basically the hashtags won't work. They will list you as a spam. Make a flyer. Make flyers, hand them out, post them all over, post them, wherever you can put them, okay? Paid promo. You don't want to get a person who always does promotion. You want to get a person who doesn't do promotion all the time, because people that do promotions all the time, their followers are like, okay, there's another promo. They're not going to be as interested as a person that never does promo. They're going to be like, oh, this must be an actual good product, because they don't never do promo. So this must be an actual good product, car, business, or whatever. So you want to get a person like that, okay? Make a video of your products. Videos are way more intriguing for a consumer's eye. So that's another thing. So make videos. If you sell clothes, put like a pile of clothes on in the wrapper, and do a little video of it, or show a little video of the clothes or something like that, or show a video of a model walking towards you. Just It's a way to get the consumer's eye. And yes, I do have a little cold, okay? But we're not gonna let that keep a girl down. We are on the road consistency. I'm about to hit 1,000, and I just promised myself I'm gonna be way more consistent this year. And I haven't been doing that, but February we're changing this game. We're gonna be doing videos every time I get home from work. We're just gonna be doing back-to-back videos. I'm putting videos out there like that. Okay, so share your business to different group pages on Facebook. This is big. Different people that have different businesses, and they might be interested in your business. They want you to support them, and so they're going to give support to you. This helps, support for support, So that's another good way. Make collages on Pinterest. That's another good way. People, those niche memes where they have different clothes that go together. Make some of those, put it on Pinterest, and tell them where to go get it, and link your site. That will bring people to your website. Always offer something for free. Free gets the words out. Okay, free. People love free stuff. You hand out something free, they want it. Okay, period, fool. They wanted it. Ooh, you telling me I buy this and I get some sunglasses for free? Ooh, plus this was already cute, but this make it cuter. Period. Post reviews. People want to see that other people are wearing this stuff. Other people are buying from this stuff, like from this place. People want to see other people, looking at it, being consumers as well. People don't want to buy from a business they feel is nobody's buying from, because they feel not secure with the business. You want to frequently post, at the very least 2 times a week. That's at the very least. I post 3 times a day. Email your subscribers on your website. You should make, when you enter the site, like a subscriber, you have to sign up to subscribe to my business or whatever. That gets emails. You send emails out to the people. Okay? So those were my list of promotion, how to promote your business. I might have some more. I might come with a part 2 if you really like this video. But yeah, I'm just trying to get them now. Alright, but yeah, guys, comment down below how your business is doing. Tell me different things about your business. What are some tips you think I should do? What are some things you think I should offer my business? I want tips just as well as you do. So if you have any good tips or tricks that you use to promote your business, let me know. Give me help, sis, because I'm always down to learn, as you should be too, because you are never too smart to learn anything or too educated to learn something. You can always learn something from somebody, learn different pieces from different people, and try to put it together and make your own thing pop, own thing work. This is how I got some of my tips and tricks, is listening to other people and putting them together and marinating them and trying to get my own thing. If I didn't tell you I was sick in this video, I am sick, so I'm a little congested. But you just want to, gain little things here, gain little things there, put it together, make your own little recipe. And I say keep being consistent. Nobody's buying from you now, but they are. Keep motivation in your eye. Write down some goals. Write down some goals and make sure you're meeting them goals. Make sure you're looking at other people. Don't copy them, but try to see, how can I do that maybe and make it better or something like that. Put a twist on it, something. You always want to enhance your business somehow, some way. And that also is going to get your business some kind of promotion, you know, you doing something different from everybody else. So yeah, those are my tips and tricks for how to promote your business. Thank you guys for watching. Peace, love you, peace and blessings. I wish you nothing but success in your business, and I love you guys. Bye, Only Way Crew. Peace.
Bitch, nah, I don't wanna be